Hi everybody, welcome to Module 5, Week 5. We're through the half point of the 8-week session, so I hope you had a good weekend and had time to de-stress. So this week we're going to be talking about managing teams and conflict management. We know that members of a team have to work together for a while before they're high performing. When people work together, there's always potential for conflict. So both of these topics were covered or introduced in the Essentials class. And so this week we're going to go a little bit beyond that and give you some different kinds of assignments. So we've got 2 chapters, Managing Groups and Teams and Conflict and Negotiation, and then some articles and videos, resources for the journal for this week. I'm going to move my face. So if we look at, first of all, the discussion board, looking at teamwork at the Mayo Clinic. So maybe you knew this, but I learned it a few years ago that the Mayo Clinic uses teams, and it's an integral part of how they operate. So if you click the link here, Design at the Mayo Case, you will find a variety of different pages, videos, different things you can click on to learn about the Mayo Clinic and how they have used teamwork. So in responding, your initial post should talk about how the Mayo Clinic uses teamwork, or how it has since its founding to the current time. How does it make them more effective? What are the cons of using teamwork in a medical setting, if there are any? I know we have some of you that are very involved in the medical industry, so your responses will be interesting here. Looking specifically at the CFI team, how would you go about selecting the right people, recruiting and training? It's basically their team, and what can businesses learn from the Mayo Clinic's use of teams? So generalizing from a hospital to a business. So for the conflict and negotiation chapter, the assignment, your individual assignment is to plan a negotiation. So specifically, there's a description of planning a negotiation to ask for a higher salary. So I'm going to ask you to plan that and go through the different steps in negotiating a higher salary. However, if you're not going to be doing this anytime in the near future, you can use plan a different kind of negotiation. So maybe you're negotiating, you're going to buy a house, or you're going to take a new job and you want to negotiate for specific benefits and salary. So use these steps to plan a negotiation. It doesn't have to be a higher salary if that doesn't make sense to you. So the biggest part of being effective at negotiations is planning ahead. I once had an expert tell me. So the journal for this week is based on the characteristic of empowering and holding others accountable. So take a look at a piece of this clip from Marriott talking about how they empower their people. So you don't have to watch the whole 90 minutes. Look at the specifics in here. And we also have some experts in the hotel industry in our class too, so we'll be interested to hear your responses. So look at how Marriott tries to empower their employees. Evaluate your own organization and job. Are you empowered? Does the organization empower you? And how do you, on the other hand, empower others? Why or why not? How might you do it in the future if you don't have an opportunity right now? So those are the 3 assignments for the week. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one.